The state-level workshop on agroecology, learning circles and natural resource management approaches was held on Tuesday. This workshop is a collaborative effort between the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency and the Northeast Slow Food and Agrobiodiversity Society. The NESFAS and in its ongoing project has introduced the concept of ALCS, a multifaceted approach that empowers local communities to take charge of their learning process and provides them with a platform to share their traditional knowledge. The main objective of the workshop is to facilitate a collaborative learning experience by bringing together traditional knowledge holders, custodian farmers and enthusiasts in the field.
Meet to share and learn from each other about new school program, decision making.
Trying to see how basically how the problems these farmers are facing, whether they are able to identify their own problems and then how those problems were being addressed earlier, and then wherever there is a gap, the same is being tried to fix with other innovative ways.
One of the positive response which we have received from this level workshop is the rich knowledge. We are still yet to find more. We have a lot of knowledge that we have been able to document, but now there are much more knowledge that needs to be documented. And then the second response that we receive from the community is that the need for more kind of cross learning across different communities.